today I want to share one of the trade that I spot on the top pool. I using flow algo for spotting my trades, and I think for this trade, UPST Upstart Holding company, I think someone is very bullish, very like bearish on this company right now. As you see today, the the bank, the, the chairman of the Federal Reserve common speaker said, maybe add on to the rates, and then uh, the price is crashing like 600 points on the index without zone. And as I can see, you see, I spot the trade here, the UPST here, someone with the expiration date on September 16, and one is expiring like today. So someone is really bearishing on this trade. So someone is betting like $1 million on the stock is going down, and then you can see here some of the top pool information here. They had all the shares spotting at 27.44, 25, 65. So basically someone, I think, is shorting or selling all their shares at this price level. And currently the price is at 25.48. So I wanna see. I bought like 10 contract on the same thing that the guy, whatever the top pool, the information. I bought 10 contract at $2.55. So I want to see how it turns out, and most of the time, 80 to 90% of the time, uh, the trade is going to be profitable. If you want to using the flow algo, you can click the link below, and then try the service. I found flow algo is very good.